Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. I'm here to unbox the Rii RK105 Business Keyboard and Mouse combo. Now y'all keep in mind, gamers, this is not for you. This keyboard is for people who do not want to buy mechanical keyboards and don't like to hear that clickety clackling sound that mechanical keyboards make. So, this is the LED backlit business keyboard and mouse combo. It's nice. It says it right there, backlit, Windows 10 compatible. You got your little Rii thing that if you want to go ahead and use your QR scan to scan the product and know more information about the product. On the back, you have the descriptions of that. Model number RK105, system requirement Windows PC with the USB port, is Mac OS compatible, Chrome OS compatible if you have a Chrome laptop, and Linux OS compatible. USB interface is USB 1.1 and above. So if you have a USB 3.0, you can plug into your 3.0 port or your 2.0 port, or if you're using old systems like Windows 7, or if you're still on Windows XP, this will work with it as well. Alrighty, let's get right into it. Okay. Well, they got one thing I like about it, they got this baby nice packed up in here. So yeah, it's packed in there. Alrighty, that's out. Okay, there's the keyboard. Okay, here's the mouse. And the mouse. I was a little scared there. I said, wait a minute now, where's my mouse? Alrighty. And the mouse. Nice feel. It's a little bit on the hard side, so just like I said, gamers, this keyboard is not for you. Y'all mostly need a mechanical keyboard and a gaming mouse so y'all can have that nice, good, soft button feel. Now, it does have your DPI regular functionality. DPI's functionality is 1200, 1600, and 2400. You got your nice little scroll mouse. Your optical. On the keyboard side, you have just your basic standard plastic keyboard. Nothing spectacular. You got your little kick out stance if you want to go ahead and bring it up some. Here, now it is membrane functionality keys. And one thing I love about this keyboard that I like more membrane keyboards than I do functionality keyboards is mechanical keyboards is one, late 90s until now I've been using membrane keyboards. I do not like mechanical because when I'm up early in the morning, my wife is a light sleeper. She will hear all that click clacking going on in the living room if I have to get up early in the morning, take care of some bills, do some thumbnails for my YouTube video, etc. This works out great. Nice feel, nice touch. It don't have that ergonomic style. It's not swerved. You get your nice straight panels. Nice, good keyboard. And I cannot go wrong with that at all. So, let's go into the functionality of the keyboards, show you the design of it, show you the backlits and everything. So let me get everything all set up in my computer and we're gonna go over that backlit control design in 30 minutes. Alrighty, now we are back. This is the mouse. As you see, it has its own strobe colors on the mouse. It just go through your basic simple colors. You see green, Then you get the blue. So it does a little breathe mode or strobe mode. It just goes through the colors, you know, give you that little RGB feel look to it. But it's not a bad mouse. It's not bad at all. It moves, it glides across the mouse pad good. Just like I said, the click button is just your basic normal mouse click control. So, you know, I will not use this here for gaming because gamers, y'all might be complaining that the clicks are a little too tough. But for me, it's great, so I don't have to worry about the wear and tear of it as long as it gives me what I want to do. But the mouse feels good. Just like I said, you have your DPI modes. It's all over the place. Click it again. I'm at 2400, and then click it again. I'm at 1200. Your nice, simple, basic control. So yeah, nice, good click function. You know, it's not too bad with it. You know, you got your nice, good click function here. Let me go ahead and change. I got it moving all over the field, all over the place. So yes, nice. Cannot go wrong with it. Got your nice click and feel. So yeah, I like the mouse. I like the feel of it. It fits right into the palm of your hand, so I can just rest my palm as you see there, and then go ahead on and click onto it. So you cannot go wrong with that. Now, let's go over the keyboard. Slap the mouse out the way and bring in the keyboard. Now, just like I said, it is membrane filled keys. So yes. Now, if you want to use it as a gaming, playing retro games, you have your up-down keys right there, your WASD, and you have the same thing on those here as well too. Backlit functions. There's your key lit right here. You hit that, it turns it to blue. Hit it again, turns it to green, and hit it again, it go ahead and turns it to light blue. Now, if you don't like the look feel of it, you can turn it off. Now, it does has the RGB strobe feel to it. You just hold the function key and hit that. It goes into breathe mode, cycling through all the colors, which I think that looks nice as well too. Nice, simple, basic colors. None of that rainbow feel, none of that foolishness. And if you don't like it, you can always turn it off. For me, I'll turn it back on. So you turn it off, or just like I said, the on and off button here. Now, if it's too bright for you, and say for instance you working at night, you don't want the brightness of the keyboard. You hold the function and turn the brightness down some. Hit the up, page up, and function turns it up. If you like it like that, that's good. You cannot really go wrong with this at all. Well, I recommend this basic, simple office clerical keyboard, because yes, I still do office clerical and I game a little bit, play my retro games. Simple, easy. This setup is good for that. Will I recommend the RK105 combo? Yes, I would. I would recommend the RK105 combo to your basic, simple, easy office clerical PC users that love to go ahead and just do office clerical or typing, spreadsheets, etc. If you want to game with it, you can, because I'm gonna go ahead and game with it. Got your keys right there. You know, you cannot go wrong with that at all. You got your keys right there. And it is a nice functional feel keyboard. Now with me, my thing is I am very harsh on keyboards. I could go through keyboards within 5 to 10 years. After that, it start key sputtering, key jet lagging. I go ahead and hit the key, it don't respond. And then if I hit it again, it just typing all the way out. So this works out great. I love it. Well, like I said, I would recommend it. And I cannot go wrong with the use and the feel of the keyboard. Now, just like I said, the keys are membrane. So yes, if you are a membrane keyboard user, this works great for you. If you are mechanical, then this won't work great for you. They do have a mechanical keyboard, the RK908, just the keyboard by itself. I'll be putting that alternative link in the description below if you want to purchase it, as well as the affiliate link, so you can go ahead and check the website out, check order the keyboard off Amazon, both the RK105, or if you want the mechanical feel, you can go ahead on and get the RK908. And you can't go wrong with this. This keyboard works great for me. I love it, and it's here to stay. Will I recommend Rii products to people who's looking for simple, basic stuff? Yes. Who do not want to spend an arm and a leg paying $25 for a keyboard and $25 to $30 for a mouse. I will recommend that. Everything I do is in a combo set. So yes, you will get the keyboard and the mouse seen here in a combo set. I'm closing this video out. I want to thank y'all for watching. All the affiliate links, website links will be in the description below if you want to check it out. I'll be putting a YouTube creator's video who bought the product as well as mine, if you want to go ahead on and use our sources to help better your judgment on purchasing the keyboard. And once again, to the viewers, everybody out there, thank y'all for taking the time out to watch this video. The love and support is well appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.